Good morning. This is about a week after our 24-inch blizzard. Things have already melted quite a bit. This is our front entrance, my front garden. Can't even see. Our ditch with all the cattails that aren't even there. We'll come back and around. Sadie! My dog that's heading towards the road, not so good. Our snow fence that's buried in the snow. There's the dog. The road, and the drifts that are coming in the driveway already. I don't know if you can tell, it's been blowing for a couple of days. But today is over 30 degrees, and it's going to be great. Sadie, come on! Much better. All the snow. There's the wind. Snow piles. Entrance. Come around. The gate. Mountains of snow. What's today? February 12th. That's what's on the gate sign there. 2011. I'll come around and show you how we pile all the snow around. Here's my new, that's all that's left. This is the new rock pond that we just put in. Lots of snow, a couple of trees with, believe it or not, there's a bench under there and a rock. The exit keypad when you leave the gate. Parking spaces that people can actually get to their stuff when they need to. It's the back of it. Lots of snow along the edge of the property. And then the mountain of snow in between, because there's no place to put it all. And the gate, back to where we are. Back to the beginning. Things didn't get too buried, which is good for the parking spaces. The guy with the snowmobiles likes to get his, just slipped, likes to get his stuff out. Okay, and all the snow. Everybody can get to their stuff. How clean the property gets after a snowfall. Everything's clean. Okay. There's our winter scene at HDL.